Hello students, good morning, welcome to English class. Today we are going to find out figure of speech and poetic devices in the poem An Elementary School Classroom in Islam. So let's find out. In first line, far far. From gusty waves the children faces. Far far. यहाँ पर जो है फार फार वर्ड रिपीट किया गया है इसलिए रेपिटेशन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. अगेन फार फार फ्रॉम फेसिज. यहाँ पर जो फार फार फ्रॉम फेसिज है यहाँ पर एप लेटर एंड साउंड इज रिपीटेड सो एलिटरेशन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. अगेन चिल्ड्रन फेसिज लाइक रूटलेस वर्ड्स. यहाँ पर जो चिल्ड्रन फेसिज की तुलना रूटलेस वर्ड से की गई है और लाइक वर्ड का प्रयोग किया गया है इसलिए सिमली का प्रयोग यहाँ पर किया गया है. द टाल गर्ल विद वेव्ड हर हेड. इन वर्ड में जो है ये डब्लू लेटर एंड एच लेटर इज रिपीटेड सो एलिटरेशन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज यूज्ड हेयर. द पेपर स्विमिंग बॉय विद रेड्स आइज. यहाँ पर बच्चों की आंखों की तुलना चूहे से की गई है इसलिए यहाँ पर मेटाफर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है. अगेन हिज here his word is repeated so repetition figure of speech. And then dim class. ये जो डिम एडजेक्टिव है और क्लास को क्वालिफाई करा है इसलिए यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज यूज्ड है. हिज आइज लिव्ड इन अ ड्रीम. लाइव इज ह्यूमन क्वालिटी सो personification figure of speech is used here. Then this. In these words the th sound is repeated so alliteration figure of speech. On shore cream walls donation. shore cream wall जो दीवार की तुलना की गई है वह कलर से की गई है यहाँ पर मेटाफर. Civilized dome riding all cities. Riding is human quality and dome is non-living thing. So personification figure of speech is used here. Open-handed map awarding the world's its world. Here open-handed map awarding the world's its awards. Awarding is human quality and then it is a modified map so personification figure of speech is used here. world ये वर्ल्ड वर्ड जो है रिपीटेड है सो रेपिटेशन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज यूज्ड here. नेक्स्ट लाइन विंडोज वर्ल्ड. W sound is repeated so alliteration figure of speech is used here. All their future painted with a fog. फ्यूचर को फॉग से कंपेयर किया गया है इसलिए मेटाफर इज यूज्ड है. A narrow street filled with lead sky. Here street filled sky. As letter and sound is repeated so alliteration figure of speech is here. Lead sky. Lead is adjective and sky is noun so transferred epithet is used here. Far from. Again far is repeated so repetition. Then again far from f sound and letter is repeated so alliteration figure of speech. Stars of word शब्दों के तारे so metaphor is used here. Surely Shakespeare, as letter and sound is repeated, so alliteration, figure of speech. Ship, sun, steel, as sound is repeated, so alliteration, figure of speech. Again, and is repeated, so repetition, figure of speech used here. On the children wear skin, peeped through bones, spectacles of steel. Here personification is used here. Spectacle, steel, as sound and letter is repeated, so alliteration, figure of speech is also here. With mended glass like bottle beads on stone. Glass is compared with bottle beads, so simile, figure of speech is used here. Hogi Islam, transferred epithet, figure of speech is used here. Space Islam, as sound and letter is repeated, so alliteration, figure of speech is used here. Islam's as big as dome. Islam's is compared with dome, so simile, figure of speech is used here. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows and window. W sound and letter is repeated, alliteration, figure of speech is used here. Their lives like catacombs. Lives is compared with catacombs, and like is used, so simile, figure of speech is used here. Break, the same word is repeated, so repetition, figure of speech is here. Till, town, T letter and sound is repeated, so alliteration, figure of speech is also used here. There, Oda, T sound is repeated, so alliteration, figure of speech is used here. Run Azure on gold sands. Metaphor, figure of speech is used here. Their tongues run naked into books. Tongue is non-living and run is human quality. Here personification, figure of speech is used here. Whose language is the sun. Language and sun is compared, so metaphor, figure of speech is used here. And two line, run Azure, run naked. These two lines have one common word, that is run, so anaphora, figure of speech is used here. So student, these are your figure of speech. I hope you have understood better. Now we will find out poetic devices. So the paper, swimming boy with rat's eyes, the student unlucky here. In these two lines don't have punctuation at the end, so enjambment, poetic device is used here. In the whole poem, poetic devices, enjambment is used, like class plus and D. These two lines don't have any punctuation. First line doesn't have any punctuation and next line is started. So enjambment poetic devices is used like map and these two lines also don't have any punctuation, so poetic devices enjambment. So similarly only poetic devices enjambment is used here. So students, I hope you have understood better. So it's your turn to read and prepare it. Thank you.